Hello, I'm Chef Michael McDermott, and welcome to Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Hello, I'm Chef Michael McDermott, and this is Chef Michael's Food Hacks. We are making pie today, pumpkin pie from scratch. It's yummy. I have a pre-made pie crust here. It's organic, it's whole grain. You can make your own pie crust. To me, that's too much of a pain. Now, some recipes you have to do what's called blind bake. Now, as if you can see, I have some aluminum foil. I push that down in the crust, and then I just put coffee beans in there. You can get some inexpensive coffee beans at the store, and you can use them over and over again to blind bake your crust. Okay, I got all this stuff in my RoboCool here, my food processor. You can do this in a blender too. I just like it to do it better. I've got some canned pumpkin in here. You can use fresh pumpkin. I'm just use canned for this one. Got eggs in here. I've got half and half, allspice, coconut sugar, a little bit of ginger, and a little bit of lemon rind. And there's 3 eggs in there too, if I didn't see that already. Okay, so then all I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this on. It's plugged in. Yes, it is. Just going to blend it, okay? And then I'm going to pour it in the shell. I'll show you that in a second. So I'm going to put that down for a second. Now, I blind baked my pie shell. All I do, which is really easy, is I just lift it out. I'm going to let those cool, and I can use them again to blind bake another shell. So this is probably going to be enough for 2 pies. You're only going to fill this pie 3/4 because it's going to puff up. Okay? All right, that's 3/4 right there. All right, now I'm going to cut that off using my finger instead of a spatula. And we're pretty much done. And what I did was I left it on the baking pan. It's easier to put it in the oven, especially with a filling that's wet like this. This way you don't burn yourself. And I'm going to just put it in the oven. You can't see me doing that, but trust me, I'm putting it in the oven. It's at 350. I'm going to do that for about 40 minutes, okay? Oh my goodness, it's the live to tape pie cam. Look how pretty that pie's coming out. Yummy. Look how nice that pie came out. Pumpkin pie hot out of the oven. It's yummy. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to let this cool for it's usually about an hour. Half hour out, half hour in the freezer. Then we're going to cut it and I'll show you what it looks like inside. Looks absolutely delicious. Okay, pie is out and cooled off. Oh my goodness gracious. Homemade pumpkin pie. My grandmother would be so happy. Now, as you can see, I got one cooling off on the rack over here. These other 2 are cool. We cut a nice piece. Make sure you use a serrated knife when you cut these pies so the crust doesn't break up. Okay? I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Remember, when you eat well, you live well. Visit our partner on Facebook, Borderlands Market and Produce on Wheels Without Waste.